Volkswagen Tiguan, direct injection. See that valve in there and all that crud. Clean all that garbage out of there. Notorious problem for misfire, running like a bag. And all those deposits in there in the back of the valves are wide. So clean all that out, put the intake back on, and it should run mint.